Thank you, T-Bird. Appreciate it, man. Some cool stickers. I'm running out of real estate, so I could only put one up, and I really like the glitter one. Thanks so much, brother.